What's up, guys? Kevin Cage here with another crypto update. Happy Halloween to everybody, and it's great to see that the total crypto market cap is back over $1 trillion. Welcome to the channel, guys, and happy Halloween. So by the time I upload this video, there will be NFTs on top of the XRP ledger, so I'm excited for that. And we can go to XRPscan.com and see right now the ETA and the time. This day is also significant in the crypto market because today was actually when Satoshi Nakamoto published the Bitcoin white paper in 2008 on October 31st. That eventually led to this entire crypto revolution. And Bitcoin was born out of the last financial crisis. Looking at some of the world's top companies by market capitalization, Apple still over 2.4 trillion, Amazon down to 1 trillion even. Years ago, people thought Bitcoin was a joke, coming out in 2008, launching in 2009 with its Genesis block. When Bitcoin was trading for a few dollars or even under a dollar, there were people that said Bitcoin would never reach $10,000. And many years later, we hit 69K. Now in 2017, 2018, even 2020 during the bear market, there were many people that said Bitcoin would never hit a $1 trillion market capitalization. And little did they know, and why we should also never say never in this crazy cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin's market cap hit approximately $1.3 trillion. And even last November, when Bitcoin had a $1 trillion market cap, Ethereum was at $500 billion or 500 billion in market capitalization. And even Binance Coin surpassed a $100 billion market cap. We also know the XRP market cap also surpassed $100 billion back in January of 2018. And even altcoins like Cardano got very close, approaching a $95 billion market cap. Point being is never say never in this crazy nascent market. There will always be opportunity where there's volatility. Bitcoin reached this insane valuation with a store of value narrative. I believe there's going to be other altcoins that could not only serve as a store of value, but actually serve as a protocol. To power Web3, a bunch of decentralized applications built on top of it, interoperability with other chains here, including interoperability with the legacy infrastructure that we see today. And use cases in Web3 could range from money transfer. I would actually change that to value transfer. It's not going to be just money. NFTs can be transferred for, gaming items, smart contracts to program if and then statements for contracts to remove the trust layer out of it between all of these intermediaries that we see in the real estate market. If you work at a law firm, there's a variety of use cases. Internet of Things and smart devices. We could see personal identification and security being another huge issue. Where is the data stored? How is it stored? Is it distributed? And you can also delegate keys so that different people in the organization can access certain secure information. Healthcare, logistics, supply chain management, tracking, NFTs for tickets to a game or season tickets or a membership, the car title, a deed to your house, you name it. The real estate market, including commercial and residential, is hundreds of trillions. The global stock market has surpassed 100 trillion. The crypto market topped at 3 trillion and then crashed. We have the derivatives market, highly intangible, can range from 600 trillion to 1.4 quadrillion. And I know that sounds like a made-up number. And in the coming decades, we're going to have new use cases for distributed ledger tech and crypto assets that we've never thought possible. We even had Citibank predicting the metaverse and Web3 may be an $8 to $13 trillion market opportunity, talking about the growth of 5G networks and VR and AR headsets. So now thinking of the wide variety of use cases and utility some of these protocols and tokens can bring. And then knowing that we've already had several altcoins that have surpassed a $100 billion market cap before. Who's to say that won't happen again in the coming years? And just like we've witnessed over the past 5 years, there have been altcoins that were ranked in the top 200 on CoinMarketCap, and they slowly rose to top 50, top 30, some of which made it into the top 10, and I believe that will happen again. Okay, so with all of that previous information in mind, let's dive into iTrustCapital. This will be linked right in the top of the YouTube video description. You do not have to use my link, but if you do and you create a free account, you also get $100 as a funding reward. And in just a couple months, this January will mark my 3-year anniversary of using iTrustCapital. In full disclosure, guys, iTrustCapital is my only active sponsor on a monthly basis. And this isn't just some platform. They are valued at over $1.3 billion. And as I've said, I've been using them for almost 3 years. I don't have any other sponsors. Yes, I have affiliate links. The only other video I'll be doing that is a sponsored video will be the next one, because I'm giving away one XPunk for free. And that's valued at approximately $1,300. So thank you, XPunks, for giving me 0.5 tokens. I'm going to mint one in the next video either tonight or tomorrow, and I'll be giving that away for free. And iTrustCapital is a unicorn company valued at over $1 billion. And once again, I'm not paid by Ripple, Casper, Algorand, Hedera to talk about their assets. I'm just a long-time holder. I was buying HBAR at launch. I was buying Algo since 2019. I was buying XRP since 2017. So I'm just another passionate holder and researcher in this ecosystem, and nothing I share is ever financial advice. Okay, so a few big things coming to iTrustCapital today. We have a couple dozen altcoins listed. Now I'm fully expecting some alts that we regularly talk about, hint hint, that will be listed on iTrustCapital in the coming months. And there are also plans in the works to launch more assets that we can stake instead of just Polkadot, currently for 9.5% APY. So using the link in the video description, you can see you can buy and sell crypto, even precious metals like gold and silver, 24/7, 365. This is connected to Fireblocks and Coinbase custody. So the second that I'm using the mobile app or right on my desktop and I submit a trade, it is settled within a matter of seconds, which is so convenient. Anybody in traditional finance, when we have to wait, Monday through Friday for trading hours, crypto never sleeps. So I can take a trade at 2 a.m. on a Saturday if I'm feeling like it, and I wouldn't recommend that. And there's a few ways you can start an account, so we'll kind of run through that. So first and foremost, click pricing, transparent as it can be. We did a previous video going through every other crypto IRA platform. Their pricing was not transparent. There were hidden maintenance fees. iTrustCapital, one of the reasons why it is a leader in this space, is there are no maintenance fees. It is $0 per month. There is no monthly fee. It's just like Coinbase, except for tax-free trading and investing in crypto and precious metals, with just a 1% transaction fee. Whereas other platforms might have higher transaction fees, a monthly fee, and then other management and maintenance fees. So you never have to worry about that. So really, it's a free account. There's no reason not to at least create it and have it ready to go. And the assets are secured in cold storage. You can go to how it works and just read through the FAQ. We've done a security video on iTrustCapital in the past. You can go to my channel and then go under the playlist and watch all of my iTrustCapital videos. So if we go up to how it works and click how it works in the tab, we can scroll down and actually just see a few introduction videos. Each one is like a minute long. It explains exactly how to apply and create a free account. So how to open a Roth IRA or a traditional IRA. I personally use a Roth IRA because that way everything, when all is said and done, will be 100% tax-free. So whether I have $5,000 or $500,000 and in the future it's worth millions or hundreds of thousands of dollars, I'm paying 0% in capital gains. And that's a reason why I see such value in a tool like iTrustCapital. 1, it is free. 2, short-term and long-term capital gains in the United States are getting higher than ever. So I want to have a hedge wherever I see fit in this crypto market. And since I've been using this platform for so long, I do have a handful of family members that are actively using it. And the cool thing about iTrustCapital is you can set limit orders, guys, conditional transactions. You can sell a certain percentage at this price. You can buy a certain percentage if the asset crashes at this price. You can make a plan, set the orders, go to sleep and relax, set and forget, and just wait for that to come to pass. 3 ways to fund your account, so just a quick minute video if you want to check that out, and how to fill out an IRA transfer form if you wanted to roll over your IRA from an existing provider. So I actually did that with Vanguard because I was in the stock market very heavy, and then I moved over to a competitor, BDAY IRA. And those fees were eating me away. And then I moved to iTrustCapital. The process was seamless, everybody was friendly, and I couldn't be happier. And just remember, there are a variety of accounts to look at: a 401k, a Roth IRA, a traditional IRA, we have a TSP, a 403b, a 457, and more. And this is another company that raised another $100 million plus. They have the money to survive this bear market. They've already been around, I think, for 4 years. So iTrustCapital has been around for 4 years, over $6 billion in transaction volume. There's going to be more cryptos that are stakeable to stake for passive income, which is an absolute first mover for a crypto retirement account. You can read exactly how your assets are secured, and we've gone through this in the FAQ about the actual security and the custody within the playlist on my channel. Right within the FAQ talking about setting it up in 1 to 3 business days, how long will it take to fund your IRA with a cash contribution using ACH approximately 1 week if you did an IRA transfer 1 to 2 weeks, or an employer plan rollover in 3 to 4 weeks, and I can confirm this as well. And there's been over 2,000 plus 5-star reviews, and you can go through Google and TrustPilot and read through these reviews yourself. We have the Sandbox or Sand now available in iTrustCapital with more assets on the way. iTrustCapital is also the official sponsor for USC in Southern California for the Trojans. And lastly, we just got news this month that the IRS increases 401k limits. Investors can save a lot more money in 2023. So the IRS announced big inflation-related bumps to tax brackets and standard deduction payouts for 2023. People can contribute up to $22,500 in 401k accounts and $6,500 in IRAs in 2023. For 401ks, that's almost a 10% increase from last year. And for individual retirement accounts, it's more than an 8% rise from 2022's limit of $6,000. Thanks for watching, and let me know if you guys have any questions in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, I'd greatly appreciate hitting the like button and subscribing. Let me know your thoughts down below. And as always, my link tree is linked right in the top of this YouTube video description with all links, crypto resources, and discounts. I'll catch you in the next one.